Conflict and its causes. Conflict management is a process by which disputes are resolved, where negative results are minimized and positive results are prioritized. This key management skill involves using different tactics depends upon the situation, negotiation, and creative thinking. Conflicts can be person to person, character to society, character to nature, or a person to technology, or a person to himself. Conflict can be emotional, mental, and it can be physical struggle between people, and it may be contradiction of opinion. Overthinking and especially negative thinking cause change in mood, and further that change in mood cause conflicts. Like we overthink, like if we are good, why others are pointing only us. To get positive change from any conflict, you have to stay positive, think positive and say positive. If conflict is because of others' mood swing, so maybe he is in his bad mood. Overthinking is just a waste of time, and time is life, so life is wasting by overthinking. Now discuss some causes of conflicts. The first is information conflict. When people have different and insufficient information, information conflict occurs. It may be because of miscommunication and poor communication. Values conflict. It occurs when person imposes its values on others. Third one is interest conflicts. Competition over perceived or actual incompatible needs, such as conflicts may occur over issue of money, resources or time. Number 4 is relationship conflict. When there are misperceptions, strong negative emotions and poor communication, relationship conflicts occurs. Number 5, structural conflicts. It caused by oppressive behaviors exerted on others, limited resources or opportunity as well as organizational structure often promote conflict behavior among the colleagues. There are some other causes of conflict which are common in personal and organizational conflicts. So we'll discuss these conflicts with their solutions. Number first is finger pointing. When a person ignoring his own mistake and blaming others. So, the solution of this finger pointing is stop blaming others and correct yourself. Second cause is misunderstanding. The main cause of misunderstanding is lack of communication or because of poor communication. Personality clash is also a cause of conflict. So, to resolve this conflict, you have to think that everyone is different in nature, so play your own role and that's it. Another type of conflict is competition of resources. Again, everyone is not same, even in resources, so stay happy at own what you have. Authority conflicts. Authority issues occur when authority have difference of opinion and authority may be have dominant nature. Lack of cooperation also cause conflicts. It's also on the domestic level, personal level, in marital affairs and also in organizational level. So to resolve lack of cooperation while you are waiting for other person to participate, took initiative for yourself at your own. All are human and all have defects, so be kind with everyone. Try to wear the shoes of others, try to understand others to resolve the conflict.